My name's Joe, and welcome back to the quarantine reboot of the Whit and Joe Show.
My name's Whit, and I'm wearing a shock collar, and one of these should be working. Oh!
So if he gets his shock collar too close to the sensor,
That's never worked
it's
before.
absent.
Oh, that hurts so bad. It hit me like 3 times in a row, but bam, bam, bam! Oh!
Let's get cooking. So what we've got here is called a predicament, because this is a white gas stove. We don't have any of that. So we gotta get smart right here. So a little bit of a twist. Instead of using a stove like we regularly would, we're gonna make a fire because we don't have any other way to cook food. So here's that. My favorite part about quarantine is that I can just be me, you know? I don't have to like dress up for anybody, put makeup on for anybody, you know? Like, it's just me, you know? I can just sit on the couch all day like a potato and just exist, and no one cares, because that's what everybody else is doing too. It's great, really. It's fantastic, actually.
So you've gotten to this step. You have your fire made, you have your skillet on your fire. I don't know if that's really necessary, but we have your kind of grill thing you made here with all the wood underneath it. Now, you may be inclined to spray some Pam on your skillet, right? Because you don't want things to stick. That's horrible. See, that's why it's not the best idea. I mean, maybe some gets on your pan, but it's definitely gonna catch on fire, I'll tell you that. All right, I'm done with that. It just peels right off the packaging. Beautiful. Now this fire got a little bit bigger than we really intended it to be. So this is gonna be, Holmes, come back to me.
For this stuff you'll need your large fork, another pan, and we're gonna take an egg. We're just gonna crack it open all in there. It's going to immediately cook.
Oh yeah. This is how we always do it.
The next one in there. Now that is a wonderful looking egg.
That's just a little bit. Got a little bit on
Got a little bit of shell in that one. That's all right, because that can just go right into the fire.
And then the shell's extra protein.
For this meal, I'm thinking like 3 eggs. Kobe, rip. Kobe. It landed way behind us. This is the egg breakfast s'more. Forgot that. It's right there. Oh! By the way. This is the bacon hammock. Here, why don't you? Okay, take 3 bacon hammock breakfast s'more. Oh. Now we sit. Oh my God. We're gonna sit here and wait for it to cook all the way, and then we'll tune back. All right, now that it's done, we can tell by the brown color.
Sorry, I forgot the shock thing was there.
We should be able to. And after all that, we've got a hearty breakfast with bacon, eggs, and a whole lot of fun.
And shells.
And shells.
And fun. Oh! And a shock collar on my arm still. Oh!